Okay.
And that
Alright, ready to
activates
test the garage door
opener,
fix.
Yeah. It's so simple. I keep the little remote control button in my vehicle. And then when I'm driving up my driveway towards the garage, I press the button.
Alright.
And then the garage door opens and I drive right in. Yeah. How did people live back in the day before garage door openers?
Okay.
They'd have to get out of their car, open the garage door, and then go back to their car and drive in, and then close the garage door. I do not have time for that. No. I don't have time.
Open up my watch too.
From your watch?
Yeah.
Ooh. Snazzy pansy.
I mean, what else are you gonna do?
There it is.
Yeah, it's a